In this video, we demonstrate our limb manipulation and its integration with a bed bathing application under various experimental conditions. First scenario is with a person lying in a supine position. The task is to reposition the human arm to a goal configuration, marked as a green circle. Second scenario is with a person sitting upright. Again, each goal configuration is marked as a green circle. In the third scenario, we demonstrate our limb manipulation with a real-world human mannequin. First trial. The task is to lift the arm forward with the elbow being bent. Second trial. The task is to lift the arm upward. In the last scenario, we demonstrate the integration of our limb manipulation approach into a bed bathing application with a person lying in a supine position. Here, the mint blue dots on the human arm indicate the wiping targets, or the specific areas that need to be cleaned, and the dark blue dots indicate the feasible targets selected, which is our selection scheme to efficiently identify reachable wiping regions. Now we begin. Initial wiping. Grasping. Repositioning the limb. Wiping. Repositioning the limb. Wiping. Repositioning the limb. Wiping. Now we are done. Thank you for watching.